This is a 1987 Toastmaster model 4435D 20-inch box fan. Found this fan in the garbage 3 years ago. It's in pretty rough shape. The whole bottom of the fan's rusted out. Very bad. Someone painted it with brown primer, which is now falling off. The knob's missing. The handle's missing. Front grill's not in the greatest shape, but the back grill's actually perfect. So it's going to be going on the other brown Toastmaster from 1990 because it's got a not perfect back grill. Once I get the paint off the top of it, because someone painted the fan with the grill still on, so there's paint all over them. And then this grill's actually in better shape than the front grill on that fan down there. Not this one, that one. So its front grill's going on there. Because the other fan, the whole front right here in this vicinity is gone, completely smashed out. But yeah, it's going to end up being in the parts bin because it's just too messed up to save, I think. Too rusty. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and if I end up fixing this thing, I'll let you guys know.